Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, a name synonymous with sprinting greatness, has dominated the track for over 15 years, earning multiple Olympic and World Championship titles. But with recent performances raising questions about her future, fans are left wondering, is the GOAT of women's sprinting nearing the end of her legendary career? After an injury led to her withdrawal from the 2024 Paris Olympics and a surprising finish in her latest Diamond League race, the track and field world is buzzing with uncertainty. So, will the 38-year-old Jamaican sprinter bounce back? Or are her fastest days behind her? Let's find out. The world first got to see this determined and energetic athlete with a diminutive figure when she anchored the Jamaican 4x100 meter relay team in the semi-final at the 2007 Osaka World Championship. Since then, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has risen to the top of global sprinting by winning multiple championship medals across the 100 meter and 200 meters. Having given birth to her son Zion during the 2017 London World Championships, Fraser-Pryce returned to her best by winning gold in her signature event, the 100 meter in 10.71 seconds at the 2019 Doha World Championship. She then went on to win a silver medal in the 100 meter at the 2020 Tokyo World Championship, 100 meter gold and 200 meter silver at the 2022 Eugene World Championship. She also got her hands on bronze in the 100 meter at the 2023 Budapest World Championship. Giving birth and returning to the top of the sport is defying odds by itself. However, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce went on a 100 meter tour in 2022 as she ran below the 10.70 seconds barrier 7 times that season, solidifying her greatness over the event. The world was looking forward to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce creating history in the 100 meter at the 2024 Paris Olympics by becoming the first woman to win 5 Olympic medals in the event. But this didn't happen as she pulled out of the semi-final due to injury, thus leading to St. Lucia's Julian Alfred creating history by becoming the first Olympic champion from her island. To start the 2025 season on a fresh slate, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce returned to the track recently and ran a wind-aided 10.94 seconds to win her heat of the 100 meter at the Velocity Fest 18. However, she did not contest the final.
Gun sends them off and running. Shelly gets a good start. She's being challenged by Natasha Morrison. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is ahead of Natasha Morrison. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce will win it 10.93.
Fraser-Pryce competed in the 4x100 meter at the Guangzhou World Relays, where she ran the second leg twice. The Jamaican team ended the meet with a bronze medal in that event. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment and hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you. Just a few days after that bronze medal effort at the World Relays, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce returned to the Diamond League circuit by competing in Doha for the first time since her 10.65 seconds 100 meter run to win the 2022 Diamond League title. In the pre-event press conference, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce revealed that at 38 years old, she would like to race more. In the 100 meter at the Doha Diamond League, she ran a season's best of 11.05 seconds to finish 4th behind Great Britain's Amy Hunt, who ran a personal best of 11.03 seconds. Clayton of Jamaica won the race in a world-leading time of 10.92 seconds ahead of her sister Tina, who ran 11.02 seconds for second. This was quite a shocking performance because the world has already known Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce for dominating these events. But it was not the case at this meet. Having placed 3rd at the 2024 Jamaican Olympic Trials and never competed in the Olympic semi-final in Paris, this is quite concerning for the athlete that track and field fans dubbed as the greatest of all time. Which brings us to the question again, are we witnessing the end of such a successful career? Maybe yes, or maybe not, because Pryce clearly still has the energy and wishes to continue running. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's journey is a testament to resilience, determination, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. From overcoming personal challenges to dominating the world stage, she's proven time and again that limits are meant to be broken. While her future on the track remains uncertain, one thing is clear, her legacy will inspire generations to come. No matter what happens next, Shelly-Ann will always be remembered as a true legend of the sport. Tell us what you think. Has Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's time at the top of the sprinting world come to an end? Or is there still more greatness to come? And Do you believe she'll bounce back this season? Or is it time for a new star to rise in Jamaican sprinting? Let us know in the comments below. Also, check out our video about the future of Caribbean women in the 100 meter. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's incredible journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the world of sports. Be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is CaribFocus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.